dead campers?
They're gone.
We got plenty of firewood, mate.
So, sobrang madumi na yung aking ano. So guys, may nakita pa akong isa. Ito siya. Yung itim. So ayan. So medyo may kabigatan na siya. At yung heartbeat ko medyo mabilis na. Kasi, kaya. Nakakahingal yung hindi ka na nakakapaglakad palagi. Alam mo ba yun? Let's go!
How you going there, baby? What you got?
Left the off fire.
Well, hurry up, you got another 14 loads to get yet.
Shit.
No time for resting. You're not getting breakfast until it's done. I'm supervising. That's my job. I'm like the tail man, making sure that she's dragging properly. Yeah, all the leaves look good behind, not a problem at all. I think I'm doing a good job checking. Oi, what'd you stop for? Come on, I'm doing my end.
Where?
I'm tail. I'm like the wide load organizer.
I drag it from there. So
Oh, complaining. Come on, Jay. Come on. You've only got another 4 kilometres to go. You could run, maybe.
I can't run.
If you used to run, you'd get there like quicker.
Shut up.
Come on. Now, imagine in the old days when you had to...
I do this before.
Oh, well, you should be used to it then.
Because I didn't do it anymore.
I bet you didn't look as cute when you did it before, with your pink beanie and your pink sunglasses and your Ugg boots.
Get out of my way.
Ugg boots with the tassels on it. You
Get
look
out.
like an Inuit. Come on. Pull it, Jay. Pull it. Put your back into it. There you go. That's it. Right there. Good job. Took you long enough.
Oh,
Now go get your next load. Are you tired?
yeah.
Alright, bye.
It looks cute. It looks like I'm gonna sit in there.
That's like a chair.
Yeah.
Gary said, did you see the emus?
Where?
The tree just looks like a hand.
Yeah, it looks like that.
Here we are.
Here's Jay, keep them warm.
We're having a lovely beer.
Yeah.
No.
Cheers.
What are you drinking there, Jeff? Have got a nice, what you got?
A bit of West End draft.
We got the fire.
Diesel. Jay's already warm.
Raylene, so we're all chilling out. We got the worker over there cutting the firewood. That's just how it's supposed to be.
Yes. The manly task.
Getting the women. Jay, hurry up, cut that big log. We're getting cold over here. You don't have time to knock me down. Just keep collecting the twigs. Yeah, getting a bit cold. Did you want a saw?
Why is there a giant flamingo walking around? It's not a giant flamingo. Yes, it is. It's a giant flamingo. It's a Berkey bear. Yes, I get its teeth. Mama, have it. Reach level 40. Banana. Yes, another scrap coin. Paper, I'm burning my banana. It's turning black. Just do it all. Oh look, I'm gonna try the scratching game again. Can I make it feel like it's ready? I'll mimic it.
So kami po ay maagang bonfire. Habang
Oh, for sure.
umiinom ng wine. Di ba, Coops?
Oi, it's a hard life.
It's really hard.
Better sit on the other side of the
I'll be beautiful tonight.
sit on the other side.
Yep, we've got fire, baby.
He gives me a time.
It's really nice.
Wrap a piece of timber over his head.
Oh, si Gary ay kumuha lang po ng kanyang inumin.
The shit down.
May pile po ako doon.
Sort this guy out.
Kasi kanina, nag-pile ako ng
Yeah. Oh, I was
mga kahoy. So, pinutol-putol ko siya. Pa-pile siya katabi ng puan. So, yung mga girls ay nandoon sa houseboat. Yung tatlo, yung apat nasa taas. And ang mga bata siguro natutulog na kasi may pasok bukas. So ayan guys, thank you so much for watching at sana sa mga bago po, huwag niyo kalimutan mag-subscribe sa channel na to kahit na hindi naman siya interesting masyado. Gusto ko lang ipakita sa inyo yung mga magagandang bagay o tanawin. Actually magandang manood ng bonfire at yung palagi mong top up ng kahoy kapag pawala na yung apoy. Napakaganda tingnan. Ayun, thank you so much guys and see you next time. Bye.
With a shovel. Yeah, and then we just looked at each other and then just started.
Down to the mooring place and pay a fee where there's no one allowed.
Yeah.